Ladies and gentlemen, this is Gusii TV and welcome back to this channel. This particular channel, Gusii TV, has been demonetized by YouTube, and I'm going to give you reasons why YouTube demonetized this channel. Maybe it is going to help you to avoid similar mistakes, to ensure that your channel is not affected the same way my channel was affected. So if you are keen, you have been following my channel, then you have observed that you don't see ads along my videos of recent past. This is due to my channel has since been demonetized and I'm not able to access YouTube monetization features. So they gave me an opportunity to appeal through a video. I appealed, but my appeal was rejected. I lost membership program, monetization features, and all the money I had made during that month. It was so frustrating. It was so disappointing. And that is the first time I learned that you need a shoulder to lean on. They told me I produced a video evidence of 5 minutes. I remember since I was demonetized, I was too emotional. I was so stressed. Later, I came to realize that YouTube does not care about your emotions. They do care about facts. YouTube is not really concerned. And in fact, don't be emotional. Just bring facts. So, as I was appealing, I think since I was too emotional, I rushed. You see, I was given 21 days. Something you could do in 21 days. I did it in less than 10 minutes. So I appealed to a video. The video was to be less than 5 minutes. I created the video panicking here and there. Oh, this is how I produce content. I produce content this way. This is me. This is how I create content. But I could not give sufficient evidence, sufficient information concerning how I create my content. The whole video was full. In fact, it was a 3-minute video. If you want that video, maybe you ask me, utacheka, you will laugh at it. Maybe you ask me in the comment section so that I give you the link. So the video, it was supposed to be a 5 minutes video or less. So within the first 30 seconds, I was supposed to put the channel link or URL in the video. I was supposed to provide evidence on how I create the video, the whole evidence, the whole creation, the whole thing I do. So the video I did, I realized that the full video was full of emotion. But if you want to appeal, never just be composed. Don't be emotional. So I did my research and I realized that if you find that you are too emotional, just relax, then appeal even after 1 day. In fact, I appealed immediately. I saw the message. Oh, I am supposed to appeal. Yeah, I have a chance. Create the video. All right. Then I send them. Then I put the video as unlisted. Then I send a link to them. Just nikawasha ring light. Just kawasha camera. And I was YouTube. This is how I produce my content. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Then I uploaded the video. I didn't even go through the video to see how I had created. In fact, I've never even gone back to just watch that video. But if you want that video, I gonna give you the link. But siku moja nitawaiweka. I have since healed. I just lost hope. I didn't find any reason why I should keep in YouTube. So that is why I've been away from YouTube. That is why majority of you probably you have missed me, because I needed time to heal. The important part is the YouTube gave me a second chance. They told me that I have another chance to apply for YouTube partnership program, and that is after 90 days. After reviewing my contents in my channel to make sure that they are in line with the YouTube monetization policies, they said the time they gave me is to allow me to go through my channel and ensure it is as clean as possible. That is exactly what I'm doing. To make sure that it's in line with the YouTube monetization policies. So How was my channel being demonetized? It was one of these fine days. I was up to make content as usual to monetize it on YouTube, and before I had uploaded the YouTube, it was unlisted, so I was in a process of optimizing that video in YouTube so that it can do well. So something popped up, then I saw, and it read, your membership has been suspended due to your channel has been demonetized. So I was like, what is this? Then I rushed to the YouTube studio, and one thing I observed that there was no that dollar sign, that green dollar sign. So I was like, hey, something is not adding. That is when I realized that I've lost the monetization features. So what I did, I went to the email to see if there is any communication of the same. When I opened the email, I was so shocked. Not really shocked because I expected that, because I did see the dollar sign in my YouTube studio. The message was, your channel is not eligible to monetize. Okay? So I was like, what is this? What can I do? Daily panic that my channel has lost monetization. So it went ahead to tell me that this might be due to you didn't follow some YouTube monetization policies. So the message, I went to the YouTube studio to look for specific policies that I violated. Then they said the significant portion of your channel is not in line with YouTube monetization policies. After they had reviewed my channel, they said reused content. Yes, so I lost monetization. I've since reviewed my content to ensure that they are in line with the YouTube monetization policies. One of them is a transformation. If the content is not yours, there's no need to take the content which is not yours to upload or re-upload in your YouTube channel. Avoid it. Just create your own content. But if you have to use, you must use other content. Make sure it is transformed fully. Just how are you going to transform it? One, add your commentary throughout the video. Make sure your voice is heard throughout the video. Mute the original voice or reduce the audio, the original audio. Add, make your audio dominant throughout the content. Add subtitles. Make sure you explain, give them the captions, what's happening in that video. Then you are a saver, but you are going to meet now what we call the copyright issues. So you are not even safe. So to be safe, produce your own content. But if you must use other people's content, YouTube allows fair use of content. So I realized that I made my content in other platforms like TikTok. I took it, remember, it is my content. I took from TikTok, uploaded in my YouTube. Then I've realized that that's wrong. If you take, even if you have created your content, you have uploaded in other platforms, when now you want to upload it in YouTube, make sure that it is not the same content. Make sure you have transformed the content. So in my case, I was like, yo, this is my content. So there is no need. So as long as I'm the one who produced it, and as long as it is the first time it's appearing on YouTube, this is my own content. Okay, this is how it works. A video, once you have uploaded a video in any platform, be it Instagram, be it YouTube, be it Facebook, be it TikTok, that video is assigned its own video print, video fingerprint. So once that video appears in another platform, that platform flags that this video already appeared somewhere else. So it flags that video as a reused content, even if the content is yours. So I think even though YouTube did not specify which videos are not in line with YouTube monetization or which videos was flagged as reused content, after doing my research, because I know I was creating content in TikTok, and some of those content I took them the way they are directly to YouTube. There's a probability that those videos were flagged. Then some of the videos I used just intro and outro, so a significant portion of that videos were not original. So there's a probability those videos were flagged when YouTube was reviewing my content. Then my channel was just new. In just 1 month, the channel had reached the minimum monetization requirements, that is more than 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So I applied for monetization, and within 24 hours I received a congratulation that your channel has been approved to YouTube partnership program. That yo, congratulations, welcome to YouTube partnership program. You can now, you have the monetization, you are able to access the monetization features. So I started, or I began monetizing. So when I was doing my research, I was told that YouTube monitors new channels so closely to ensure that they are in line with YouTube monetization policies. A new channel and the old channel, YouTube reviews a new channel more often than old channel. In fact, old channel has created enough trust with YouTube than a new channel. So my channel was new. It was thoroughly reviewed, and due to those mistakes, it was demonetized. I lost membership program, I lost monetization features, and I lost all the money I had made during that month. It was so frustrating, it was so disappointing, and that is the first time I learned that you need a shoulder to lean on. This is so painful. Nobody to lean. Then I realized that I needed maybe somebody to talk to, so that I can get some comfort, a shoulder to lean, somebody to go to. So it was so difficult to me. Those who have lost monetization, you could bear with me. That is one of the painful moments in your YouTube journey as a content creator. Yeah, because you have taken time to mold the channel. Now that your channel has shown indications that it's gonna do well and it's gonna bring something, and the channel monetization or channel termination. So one of the painful moments as a creator. So yeah, but I'm happy they gave me an opportunity to apply again. That is after 90 days. So I'm happy for the opportunity that YouTube gave me, that after 90 days I'm going to reapply for YouTube partnership program, and YouTube will actually review the contents, all the contents in my channel. If they are in line with YouTube monetization policies, they are going to accept me back. That is why I've since started a journey to closely scrutinize the contents, all the contents I have already uploaded in my YouTube channel, and the contents I will be uploading to ensure that they are in line with YouTube monetization policies and YouTube partnership program policies and the YouTube policies in general. So avoid the mistake. The mistake was reused content. Just use your own content. Create your original good content. High effort content, not low effort contents. So the low effort content, YouTube is not going to monetize them. Low effort content is where you have just taken a photo. An example, you have just taken a photo, you have created that photo, you have uploaded, you have created in a video form, no commentary, no nothing, just a photo, YouTube is not going to monetize that content. Make sure you produce good content, high effort contents. If the content is not yours, transform it in a manner that it will appear like you have just used your efforts to create this content. And be honest with yourself. Is this content yours? If not, so you have taken the content from Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok. How have you transformed the content? Be honest enough to yourself. YouTube rewards honesty. YouTube rewards content, not content creator. YouTube rewards creativity, not a creator. Yes, are you showing creativity? Have you created the content? Be honest about yourself. Then, after you are confident that the content you have uploaded in your channel is unique from the content in other platforms, then you are good. Your channel is safe. My channel has been demonetized, yet other channels produce the same content, yet they are monetized. They are not affected. But I was told you have not made a good trust history. You don't have a good trust history that you can convince YouTube that even if this content is not in line, but you have a significant portion of your channel in line with the YouTube partnership program or YouTube monetization policies. So that trust. Okay, na pia don't see that this channel produced the same content, so let me produce the same content. There's a probability that YouTube ijawafikia bado wako njiani and they gonna face the same consequences. So be original, be safe, do your own content. So that is what happened. I've started cleaning my channel. In fact, even using filters is going to affect your channel. Some of the videos I used filters and YouTube could not recognize that it's me. He said, who you see where bana, this is a different person. Like this one and this one, I know the same person. So is this. So it is going to affect you as a content creator. So be you. Don't use funny filters. You have an opportunity, maybe today, tomorrow, before I get to that video and delete them. You just go and view them for your own good, so that you can make well-informed decision as far as YouTube monetization policies concerned. Have since realized even big channels kuna zingine zimedemonetiziwa probably for violating other monetization policies like hate speech, spamming. So as I go on with the journey of content creation, it's my hope that you have learned. It's my hope that everything is going to be good and this channel is your home. I don't know whether you have experience of the same. Maybe you could let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video, share this video to others so that they can learn, so that they avoid making similar mistakes that I made, which led to this channel demonetization. So you can share to your friends and family and others so that they can learn from my previous mistakes, so that when they make a decision for their future, the future of their channel, they can make an informed decision. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you. You are going to see me often. It was quite frustrating. That is why I took a break in this channel, but I've since healed. Nimepona kidogo. That is why mtakuwa mkiniona quite often in this channel, because my channel being demonetized, nilisikia vibaya for sure. It was so, it discouraged us. It was so discouraged on my side. It was so painful on my side. But I've since healed and moved on, and we are going to make our presence here like we never left. So thank you for being part of this community, and we hope that everything is going to work and my channel is going to pop up again after assuring that the channel is in line with YouTube policies. So thank you for the continued support in this channel. I don't know what, well, see you in the next upload.